back to the channel, Jamaican Shore Fishing. Alright guys, morning. Welcome back to the channel. Cliff hunting. Alright, at least I have a step down I can step to in case anything. As a matter of fact, let's get down here and make sure that. Yo! Yeah, a nice little step down right here, guys. See if I can pick up a barra this morning or something. Forgive me. Alright, we're gonna roll up the side of this cliff. Let's see if we can get anybody's attention this morning. Guys, somebody's fishing line got stuck down there. I think we're way up on the other side down there, guys. Look at the size of these boulders, guys. Holy smoke. Oh shit. Alright. There you go. One more point right there and that's it. We're not going to go any further, guys. We're going to turn back, head back down and get my drop line stuff and then come back out. I left my rods, everything in the car. I gotta go get it. So I was just coming up here to see what the status on the water is right here, guys. It is a good drop off. I'm gonna head back that way, guys. I'm gonna go get my drop line stuff. Drop line fishing time now. Set up my drop line while I hunt. Yeah, shore fishing. That's what it's all about, guys. Jamaican. Ah, fudge bucket. My shoelace. And shit, they actually walk that way through there. There's a trail. I'm not gonna try that one though. There's a trail that comes up here on that side, so we can walk all the way around. Alright guys. Andrew! Yo, will you go back to the car? Huh? Hold up, bro. Wait up for me. That's why I didn't want you to leave me, dogs. One more truck out here. Alright, yo, I gotta get the rod bag, gotta get the cooler, and the rod bag, cooler, and bait. Gotta get all of that. Come on. And I'm not leaving none of my gears out here either. I wonder if there's any small ones in here. A leaf. Alright, go ahead. This way. Here guys, so we had to go back to the car, get our gears once the sun came up, navigate back to the rocks and start drop line fishing. Where you want to go first? Yo, there's some nice spots further up, real nice spots. Down here is nice and all, man, but I've seen some really nice drop spots up there. Alright guys, yeah, we have a drop down here in case we catch anything big, so that's good. Yeah guys, so we just getting to the spot. Getting ready to set up. Get ourselves situated out here, guys. Get all my weights, my hooks, all that stuff out. Rods, reel. Okay, just what you do is just leave some on the cover, let it thaw out for a bit, or leave them out on the rock or anything. What? Fish on. Fish on. Fish on, bro. Fish on. What's that? A grunt. Got ourselves a grunt, bro. Hey guys, look at that. Nice fat grunt, guys. Look at him. Pretty big. Oh, sorry, bro. Well, lunch. In case we didn't get no food yet. Watching on. Hey guys, fish on. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Good fish. Fish on. How far am I come from now? Grouper. Strawberry grouper. Strawberry grouper, guys. Yeah, he's nice eating. That boy hit this line hard a while ago. Strawberry grouper, guys. Open that cooler for me. Until I do lunch for me and you right here. You think it's a joke, bro? Sometimes we be out here for hours and no food. But whatever I catch first is what I save for lunch. Or something to eat while we're out here. Because sometimes we might be out here till like in the evening. Hey guys. Huh? Where? In front of us? Huh? Where? Look at this little mother flower. Nah. Little boy, look at them people. Look at the big hooks around. I want to throw them back to the doctor thing. Oh, you got something? You got a grouper? Oh shit. I got something again, something nice too. Woo-hoo. Woo-hoo. Hey, grouper day, boy. Hey, these groupers are biting today, guys. Look at his teeth. Look at the teeth in his mouth, bro. Then I make nice steam fish. Ay, he bit me. Oh, bro. Yeah. Groupers are running this morning, bro. Yeah. Try not to drop them in the sand and then put them in the cooler, yeah? But put them in there. Go ahead. Got something else? Go there. And then go back craving. Take that shit too. Again? You got something again? Aha! That's a stick, I call it, I forgot the name of them, but they're good. Yeah, rat family. I think I lost that one just now. Rat family they call them. Okay, good. Finally found a hole for this rod. Found a hole for my rod, people. That didn't sound right, did it? Oh shit. Don't do that. Got it. Hitting back out again. Found a nice hole back to the rest of my fishing rod in. Big fish. Fish on. Good guy. You got no one hole in it? You know, now wait him out though. Any hook, you know? Got him. Fish on. There, guys. Fish on, guys. Jamaican shore fish in it. Another grouper. Woo-hoo! I'm on a roll today. Hey, hey, that's what's up. Seaweed was giving me a beating. Look, another one. There was a seaweed I was stuck in before, and they just keep on getting bigger and bigger. Look. Give me back my baby. Hey guys, look at that. Fat grouper. Look at him. Bro. Fat grouper, bro. Yo. Yeah, guys. We had it today. Grouper fest. You know what I'm saying, bro? We're killing them today. I'm gonna tie up some more rigs in a second. Let me set this line real quick and free up that line. And then if I can get a chance to do this shit. Oh my God, Becky. Hey guys. Yeah man, Andrew, get something look wild guys, something decent to look like. Yeah, he had to pull his fish all the way up the hill. Look at that. Wow. I think we're going to take a shortcut. I've seen a shortcut through here. Look, see the woods? Through the bush? You can walk that way. Let's try that way. I never tried it before. It's called exploring, bro. Let's head down to Rio. Yeah. Or we can go over to the mangroves right there. Look. See those mangroves? Inside of there, there's a river. There's 2 rivers in there. 3 rivers in there. Come on. Eh? But the beach is the right lake though. The beach at Rio Bueno. That's where all the big fish are at, man. Right down the road, we passed it coming here. So that's why I said this was spot 1. That was spot 2. No hitch up, no losing, no rigs. That's how that place is. That's why I want to go there, bro. You don't lose gears. Let me secure my line real quick. Dogs don't rush it even harder from this way. It's like somebody was camping over. Is there a trail? See a trail? Yep. Oh shit, there's a bird nest above our head. Yep, keep it going this way. You good? Hope there are no consents back here. Huh? Come on. Walk this way. Yo! Yo! I just broke my goddamn low rod. Hey guys, making sure fishing here. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We pitched up from the other spot, from the grouper spot. Go! There, so. You broke my lower rod, look wild. Yeah. Gio and them have my other rods on the thing. So fish on, guys. Fish on, guys. That's what's up. Fish on. Small fish. Yeah. Small little snapper. Guys, look at this little guy. I'm making sure fishing. Look at this little guy. Little red snapper, guys. Look at it. I'm gonna try not to drop him so you guys can see. Pretty fish. Alright, one little fella. He's out. He's gone. Small little fella. Alright, let's get some more bait. Hey guys, so that was a small snapper. Red snapper. Oh, not mess with the line enough, people. Fish on, guys. Fish on. This one seems a little bit bigger. We got ourselves a shad, guys. Look at that. Yeah. Active little fella. Nice shad, guys. They go a slight little bigger than this, but this is good. This will go home. And I had a feeling from just throwing down that side. I only got one rod set out. The guys got the rest of my rods out there moving. So my other rod broke. It's in the car. I plan on using that anytime soon. But let's get this line baited back up. Back over there again. Be out there, guys. See, watch that drop. Bang! Right out there. That's where I want it. Closer to the pier. Yeah, you gotta loosen your drag when you have your line set like this. Because the last thing you want is a bigger fish to pull it, and your rod and reel and everything ends up in the sea. So the drag is set loose when you have your rod in a rod stand. So that way the fish don't pull the rod to the sea, and your hands can pull that. So keep tension on it. Loosen that drag enough. We'll get another hit. Yeah, we just gotta keep an eye on the line, guys. Listen out for it. Just go ahead and easy back. Just chill out. Not much you can do in this. Just kick it and enjoy the ocean, man. Enjoy being in nature. Just enjoy being outside. Enjoy being alive. That's what's up. Yeah, guys. So we out here without fear, guys, doing our thing. Making sure fishing. Come on. Catch one shot. The battery dead from phone and no charger and I can. Disconnect. I'll go up now, man. I want to catch. I'm going to go and go out there, man.